What's going on, guys? Gonna keep this video real as fuck. I'm just gonna spit a lot of things. I don't know why I'm talking like I'm rapping. I'm just gonna spit a rhyme. I do this all the time. No, in this video I'm gonna talk about, I've been thinking about this a lot over the last 2 years. And this is the truth when it comes to building a successful business that not a lot of people are really upfront about. And it's not that they're trying to be sneaky or deceptive, but especially like in the Amazon space of teaching people how to sell, I feel like this isn't talked about enough, okay? And again, nothing against anyone else, nothing against myself. Fuck, I make a lot of content that teaches people how to sell on Amazon. But this is like the truth behind really building any successful business. And I've been through my phases of different stages in my business. Starting out, I think selling Amazon, I think thrifting, I think buying items dirt cheap, getting items for free. If you don't have any money, absolutely the best way to start. Absolutely, hands down, you're not going to find a better way. But when it comes to, I see a lot of people wanting to, build $100,000 businesses. They want to become millionaires, and they'll figure it out eventually. But the truth is, you have to focus more on the current advice out there is just work hard and find good products and put your head down and grind. Great advice. But if you neglect this, if you neglect what I'm about to tell you, you're not going to be successful. And I just feel like it's not talked about enough. And what it is, and I made an Instagram post about this the other day, it's the art of persuasion. It's mastering persuasion really as a system in your business. I don't care what business you run. If you run a book business, an Amazon wholesale business, a retail arbitrage business, you need to get good at persuasion, sales, marketing, whatever you want to call it. I went to a Tony Robbins event last year, a virtual Tony Robbins event. Shout out Rake and Profit. He was my roommate last year and sat in on a $10,000 event for free. $10,000 for this event. And one of the things I learned, one of the key principles was there's only two things that drive growth in business, true growth, and that is marketing and innovation. Okay? So ask yourself, in your reselling business, in your Amazon business, how much attention am I putting on marketing and how much attention am I putting on innovation? I'm going to focus more on marketing in this video, but no, innovation is a key part of this process of becoming a millionaire or and I'm saying that, guys, I'm going to be a millionaire. Like, I'm very confident. I'm not in a rush, but I know I'm fucking 25 years old making this video now, and I watch kids younger than me. I'm like, what, dude, what are you talking about? You're 17, you're 18, and you're giving this advice. But I've kind of changed my perception of that too, because I think at a certain level, you just have this confidence of, I know where I'm going. And so maybe some of their advice is warranted. I like to take advice from a little bit older people generally, but obviously you guys are watching my video, so you value my advice, even though I'm young, okay? And over the last 3 years, I've been through hell and back in business. And, again, I've been through my stages. I think it's important to build systems. I think it's important to automate your business. My business operates without me. It generates, 5 figures in profit each month. And that's awesome. But in order to go to the next level, in order to get it up there, like, what is really going to allow me to do that? And it's persuasion, it's marketing. And how does this actually look in an Amazon business? How does this look in any business? The way it looks is you're on the phone with somebody and you're establishing a connection, and you present yourself and your business in a way that they want to do business with you. On average, on this phone call, because you will be on phone calls, you will be having discussions with people, store managers, distributors, friends, potential business partners, employees, all these different people. And if you have the power of persuasion, on average, let's say even if you're only 20% better than everyone else, you're going to get more of what you want when you want, and you're gonna have more people doing business with you. For example, we're working with FedEx now. If we can talk them down in pricing, we might save over the next couple of years 100,000 plus if we can have cheaper shipping rates. We've already talked them down once. We're trying again. That's just one example. But more importantly, you want to focus on sales and persuasion when it comes to getting more product. Okay, I've noticed people in the book world who are crushing it compared to other people who have, like, what's the difference between somebody doing 2 million in books and somebody doing 1 million in books? And the person who's doing 2 million in books has an ASP of 40. These are real numbers here. I'm not going to say the names of people. And then the person who is doing 1 million in sales has an average sales price of 10. For anyone that doesn't know what the hell I'm talking about, basically one person is doing a lot more work for a lot less money, and this person is getting a better deal. They're both selling fucking books. What is the difference between these two people? The difference is sales and persuasion. One of them, very good salesman, he gets better books, he negotiates deals, he provides value to the marketplace, a little bit of innovation in there, and the other person is just settling for what they can get. You know, they have a relationship with bulk books, a thrift store, nothing wrong with that. And again, even with that model, when it comes down to it, it's like, I'm just using books as an example, but this is for everything. Okay, you're running a business, you have these systems in place, and you're selling books. Why is one person selling books that are twice as valuable? They sell faster, they're better books, and why is this person over here stuck with the shitty books? It's because this person doesn't have as good of a source as this person here. How did this person get a better source? They were better at sales. They were better at persuasion. They were better at marketing. I don't care what business you're in. I don't care if I also sell information online. I don't care if you're selling information on teaching people how to do things. I teach people how to build a book business. I have Facebook ads. Same thing there. Marketing, number one thing. I don't care if you're running inventory-based business. You're going to be talking with suppliers. I don't care if you're doing wholesale. If you're doing wholesale, by the way, if you guys want to sign up, there's a free training. Go ahead and click the link below. Dana and Dylan, they've sold 30 million in wholesale over the last, I think it's since like 2010. Long time, but they've done a lot in sales. They have a lot of experience. These guys are really good. They're really good at sales and marketing too. That's how they built their business. They have great relationships and they're good at building relationships. Why? Because they're good at sales. They're good at convincing brand owners to do business directly with them. So they get better sources for inventory. Instead of paying distributors, instead of paying a middleman a bunch of money for a product, they're able to cut straight to the source. Why are they able to do this? Because they're good at sales. Everything goes back to sales, guys. Any business you're in, the number one thing you should focus on is sales. Innovation, I would put second in line, because it doesn't matter if you innovate well, if you make a great product, if you make a great service, if you can't sell that shit. The great product doesn't necessarily sell itself if nobody knows about it. So get better at sales, work on marketing, work on persuasion, and that's a skill that's going to pay you a lot over your life. That's it, guys. That's the end of the rant. Much love. Thanks for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right here or over here, somewhere around here. Without further ado, Jamaica, hit them with the restricted inventory. Show them what our service is about. We're about to show you guys an outro. It's dope as shit, and it teaches you exactly how to send inventory to restrictedinventory.com. This is a little bit of marketing. This is a little bit of sales right here. You guys see what I'm doing here? You guys see what I'm doing here? Peace out, family. Much love.